Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Bad Car Symptoms. In this video you'll see some of the most common symptoms of a bad throttle body. We'll state them in the sequence in which they usually happen. So stay with us. Bad car symptoms. If you want to see how to clean the throttle body on your car without removing it, as this may help to solve this problem to some extent, watch a video on our other YouTube channel, Display Repair, where you can see how to do the whole procedure. Click on the link in the description of this video to watch it. The first symptom of a bad throttle body that you may notice is rough idling. At first, the rough idling will be barely noticeable, but as the problem progresses, it will be present all the time, especially when the engine is cold. Besides the rough idling, you may also experience the engine running rough, much like when the spark plugs are faulty, for instance. It can also cause an occasional misfire. Now, this symptom of a bad throttle body is more noticeable. Instead of the normal response when pressing the accelerator pedal, which should be quick and agile, you may experience a sluggish and much slower response. Accompanied by the sluggish response to the gas pedal is poor fuel economy. You should notice this symptom easily as, and this is a loose estimate, the fuel consumption may go up from 30 to 50%. At this point, the check engine light may appear. It may come up occasionally at first and go away after a couple of engine starts, but only to return later again. As the problem gets worse, the check engine light may be on all the time. For the final symptom of a bad throttle body, and that is that the car goes into limp mode. On most cars, the limp mode means that the car won't react to the accelerator pedal, the revs will be limited, you may get the check engine light on the dashboard combined with various other dashboard warning lights, and else. This all depends on the car you drive. This symptom is the red alert for solving the problem. Know that the throttle body is a vital part of your car and is in charge of acceleration. If you neglect this problem, you won't be able to accelerate properly, or even worse, won't be able to accelerate in a critical situation. No need to say how dangerous this is. So, the moment you notice any of these symptoms, make an inspection on time and never let it get to limp mode. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps notice and perhaps solve the problem. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.